Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, from wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn to import Migrated WordPress website locally in XAMPP server. This is our zip file of website which we are going to import in our local server and run the website smoothly. This is file my project underscore migrate.zip. At first, make sure you will put this zip file inside XAMPP htdocs folder. To extract, right click, select extract files and OK. The file is successfully extracted from zip file to folder. Let's open my project underscore migrate. Here are two folders: project underscore database include SQL file for backend and project underscore file include all WordPress site file. Now create new folder, my project. From the migrated folder, copy all the project files and paste it inside my project. Now the front end is done. For back end, to connect our database SQL file, start your XAMPP control panel from search bar. Click on Start button in Apache and MySQL. It is running successfully. Let's minimize it. Now open Chrome browser. Type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click New. Type your preferred database, then simply click on Create button. Select My Project database from list of database. Click Import, then click Choose File. Now find your database SQL file, then click Open. At last, click Go. So the database is imported successfully. Here are list of tables needed to develop websites. Finally, let's check on another tab. Type localhost/ your website file name. Delete this previous migrated file. We have already copied all the required files and database file. So localhost/ my project. In this way, we can import WordPress website easily to our local XAMPP server and begin to work or customize on it. To do further customization, type localhost/myproject/wp-admin, type site credentials, then you will get access to dashboard very easily. Thank you for learning together.